Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. This was supposed to be an entirely different cook. I've got a chuck roast that I've been trying to smoke outside for 2 days and it won't stop raining. And I'm not as young as I used to be and I don't want to get out there and deal with the rain. So we're going inside here. We're just doing a simple little pot roast. Going to do it in the crock pot. I don't want this meat to go bad, and I'm sure you don't want me to let this meat go bad. So let me show you what we're doing. Alright guys, pretty simple. I got it, it's like a 2.3 pound chuck roast. I'm just using some simple McCormick's slow cooker seasoning. Could have mixed my own, but we're not. I got some red potatoes and some carrots, and I got a small yellow onion, and that's all we're using. You could do some celery, add some celery to this. I don't have it, so this is what we're going with, guys. Just keep things simple. We're just going to come in here with our little packet of seasonings. I've never used this McCormick stuff, so I don't know what we're getting into there. I don't think I have. Come in with 1 cup of water. And just blend it all until it's well combined. That's all we're doing. Alright guys, we're just gonna take care of this onion real quick here. This may look like it's poor planning for a pot roast, and it kind of is, but this wasn't going to be a pot roast at all. We was going to smoke this chuck roast on the grill. So. Because I'm simply going to quarter this. Yeah, we might do it. I'm just going to break these pieces up into the crock pot. Marvelous. We can come on in here with our potatoes. Let's put them all in there. Why not? So I want to say baby cut carrots. Put all of them. What the heck? I'm going in. Hey guys, I told you I really wanted to smoke this, and I did. And because of that, I'm gonna come in here and season this up with just some SPG. It's the Grillaholics twisted version because it's SPG plus smoke. They actually got some smoked SPG, and it's actually pretty darn good. So we're gonna add a little smoke element to this roast. Pretty thick cut of meat, don't be afraid. I can smell that smoke. I believe they do. I believe they use hickory wood on this. I'm not 100% sure. Guess nothing else to do but just get this on into the crock pot. And we're just gonna pour a mixture right on top of everything. And not make a mess, maybe. Add our lid. As we're just gonna turn this to low. And we're gonna let this cook for 6 to 8 hours. I'm gonna check it at 6 hours and hopefully we'll be done there. Alright guys, it's been 7.5 hours. I should have put this on earlier, but that's okay. But I'm finally ready to call this done. If you look at that, set this all in here. Come in here and get some of these vegetables. Get these taters out. Come over here. This actually took 7.5 hours. And to be honest, we had this up on high for the last 2 hours because we're getting hungry. Some of these carrots over here. Still got some taters in here too. Carrots and onions. Smells delicious. Guys, would you look at that? I cannot wait to get a bite of all of this. Alright guys, as you know, this stuff can be quite cantankerous. It come out pretty tender, but it's not falling apart tender, which I'm okay with. Get a few of these taters over here. Can't forget the carrots and some onions. And of course a little bit of cornbread. That is one plate of goodness right there. Let's get a bite of this. Gotta get a taste. Mama got hers first and she's already given some thumbs up, so I can't wait. There's an excellent pot roast. That McCormick's seasoning does a good job. I even got a little hint of that SPG with the smoke. I got just a slight bit of smokiness in there. Nice. Grab a little bit of this tater. Very tender, falling apart. Come on. One more. Guys, thank you so much for watching this. I've been trying to get you a video for the last 3 days, and it just won't stop raining. It's still raining outside. Has not stopped raining for 2.5 days anyway. So, welcome to Kentucky in the springtime. That's just the way it is. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I enjoy bringing these videos, and we're going to keep bringing them as often as we can. And if you don't mind, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So as always, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you folks. Bye-bye. Cheers.